Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So my name is Rosemary and I'm a lifestyle YouTuber. I upload weekly content for you guys, maybe even twice a week. So please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below and turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss out on any update from me. So I went ahead and picked up 2 of The Ordinary's products, but today I'm going to be doing a first impression review on the AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. So basically like that red peeling solution that everyone is using and it's all over TikTok. And I will also be putting it on my face for the first time ever. Don't worry, I did a patch test before this whole video just to make sure that I don't get any chemical burns or anything crazy. So this product by The Ordinary has gone viral. The hype about this is unmatched. I've seen so many people rave about it, saying that it's amazing, it's done wonders for their skin, so I decided to finally hop on the train and try it out for myself. So let's get on to the video. I feel like the big hype around this is the color. So one time back in the day, Kim Kardashian used this red peel on her face that was basically her own blood. It was like a vampire facial. So this is almost kind of like copying that in a way without actually being your own blood, because like it's kind of scary. So what even is AHA and BHA? So AHA stands for alpha hydroxy acids. AHA is basically responsible for helping reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and overall just giving the face a more brighter appearance. And so BHA stands for beta hydroxy acid. So BHA is responsible for really getting into the skin, really getting into your pores, and exfoliating and cleaning out all that gunk that's inside of there to help prevent any blemishes on your skin. Which sounds amazing. I need some of that. Even though I look young, I want my skin to stay this pretty forever, but I know that's impossible, so hopefully this helps out. Since these are acids, they should be used with caution. You should be doing a patch test before ever putting any type of acid on your face, at least 24 hours before using it. And then if anything pops up in those 24 hours, you get a chemical burn, irritation, or something, then you need to be really careful and consult your physician at that point to see if it's even safe for you to use on your face. So the reason why this product is so red like this is because it contains Tasmanian pepperberry, and that is essentially in charge of helping with irritation after using any acid on your face. So as a warning from the website, this chemical should not be used on anyone who has sensitive skin or any compromised skin. So if you have sensitive skin, I would stay away from this, as it could be too harsh for your skin and cause really unwanted side effects. You do not want a chemical burn on your face. It will not look cute. And then additionally, the website also mentions that you should be using sunscreen after applying this product for like about 5 to 7 days, just because since it is a chemical exfoliant, it really gets in there and it leaves your skin kind of vulnerable. So in order to protect from the sun's harmful UV rays, sunscreen is going to be your best friend. This is the only one I have, and it's the one I've been using. I mean, I don't really have anything negative to say about it. So if anyone has any recommendations on better sunscreen, please drop them down below and comment, because your girl needs some recommendations. Maybe one without any harsh ingredients and it's more like natural, plant-based, if that makes sense. Because I don't want to be putting harsh chemicals on my face. So if you guys know of any good sunscreens, comment them down below. So on the website, it also talks about this little excerpt that I'll insert right here about the pH of the glycolic acid being 3.6, and the pKa is also 3.6, and it basically maximizes the effect of the acid with reducing irritation, which sounds perfect to me. I definitely don't want my face to be irritated after this peel. So a lot of you might wonder, how do I even use this product? I'm gonna tell you. So it says to use this product no more than twice a week for no longer than 10 minutes at a time. They say you can use it both in the AM and the PM, but ideally they do say that you should use it in the PM. And I'm assuming they say that because there's no sun exposure in the PM, obviously. So if any irritation occurs with the product, stop use immediately and contact your physician to see if you can use this product. It also says to not get it anywhere near your eyes or your under eye area, as that area is super delicate and not suitable for this type of chemical peel. So now moving on to the first step in using this product. So you want to make sure to apply this peel on a clean and dry face. So I'm going to take this super cute Lululemon snake print headband and I'm going to put it on my head to make sure that I don't wet my hair. So you want to make sure to go ahead and wash your face with a gentle cleanser. Nothing physically exfoliating or irritating to the skin, as this is a chemical peel and it is going to exfoliate your face pretty deeply. So once my face is all washed, I'm going to wait for it to dry and then I'm going to go in and start the peel. So now that my face is dried, I'm going to go ahead and apply some chapstick to my lips, just because I don't want to get any of the product on my lips, and risk potentially getting them burned or chapped or something. So since nothing happened to my arm after the patch test, it's safe to assume that I can use this product and that I'm hopefully not gonna get any burns on my face. Don't want to speak too soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some drops to my face and then spread it out with my fingers. So since this is my first time using the product, I'm gonna just leave it on for like 7 minutes, I'm thinking, and eventually work my way up to 10 minutes just because I don't want to shock my skin. I've never really done any chemical peels ever, so I definitely want to be careful with this product since it will be my first. So this product doesn't really smell like anything, which is great. It almost has like a bit of a citric-y, acidic smell to it, if that makes sense. I mean, yeah, it makes sense. It's an acid, duh. So I'm gonna have my timer ready to set it at 7 minutes once I am done, and I'm gonna go ahead and start applying the product now. So this consistency is pretty smooth. It doesn't feel weird or anything. It's pretty smooth. So putting it on, it does kind of burn a little bit. Like my forehead like slightly burns a little bit. I can't tell if that's normal. Hopefully it is. Let's just pray. Hope for the best. It like burns like right here. Oh my god, that burns. Now my left cheek kind of burns too. Okay, this kind of burns, not gonna lie. Kind of burns like right here right now, like literally right there. It like kind of itches and burns. Not too bad, but definitely like just want to scratch it. Just kind of feels like a dumb little bug bite. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my timer starting now. And I'm setting it for 7 minutes. So my first reactions to this mask is that it does kind of burn a little bit. It's not like an unbearable burn at all. It just feels like a tingling and like kind of want to scratch it a little bit in certain areas. So I don't know if that means that certain areas of my face are like dirtier than others, or I don't know. So I have combination skin and it pretty much just follows the progression of the seasons. So during the winter, my skin is a little bit drier, but nothing too crazy. It gets a little bit dry right here. And then in the summer, it's definitely a little bit more moisturized. It's not as dry as in the winter. So luckily growing up, I never had acne. I would just get these gnarly like single pimples anywhere on my face. Usually it was like in my forehead or like around here or right there, sometimes like over here too, or like, you know, just like in this general area. But the only problems I do have with my skin is that I just get like little pimples like around here. They're really tiny. So I think they're fungal if I'm not mistaken. I've also seen people use Head & Shoulders for fungal pimples. So if you guys do that, let me know how it works and I might try it on my face. So another skin problem I have is I get a lot of redness around my cheeks. Like if I'm in the sun for too long, this is the only part of my face that will burn. Everything else will tan. Super weird, don't know why that happens, but this part has always been a little bit more red than the rest of my face, so hopefully this peel helps with that. So now we wait. So I just went ahead and took off the mask and I accidentally got some in my mouth. 10 out of 10, do not recommend. It tasted disgusting and it tasted like, I don't know, it just tasted sour. Just don't do it, it's gross. I like rinsed my mouth out really well, but it was so bad. Oh my god, I feel like I still taste it. Ugh, it's so gross. Ugh. So nowhere else on my face burns, it's just right here. That was like the only part that kind of burned, but should be fine. So the only part that I feel that is irritated is around my nose right here. So I'm not really sure why that's happening, but I made sure to clean it off well. Yeah, so it's just a little bit red around there, but other than that, there's no redness on my face and it's looking great. So then if anything happens between now and the time that I edit and post the video, I will make sure to insert a clip so I can explain like what's going on. But if there is nothing, then that means that my skin is good and it turned out great.
What is up, guys? It is editing me from the future. And I just wanted to pop in and say that my skin literally feels amazing. And the irritation around my nose went away, which is great. So I think it was just like an in the moment thing. But yeah. Overall, I'm super impressed and I have no complaints. Everything looks good, feels good, and my skin feels amazing. Just wanted to pop in and say that.
So if you typically do get dry, you can go in with a moisturizer at the end of doing the chemical peel. You just have to make sure that the cream that you're using doesn't have any active acne fighting ingredients, so like salicylic acid, retinol, things like that, because it can further irritate the skin. So I'm gonna go in with the Proteini Polypeptide Cream by Drunk Elephant after this peel because I do get pretty dry. So I'm just gonna dab a little bit on my face. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this first impressions video of The Ordinary's AHA 30% plus BHA 2% chemical peel. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Leave me a nice comment. Let me know what you want to see in future videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!